Windows are an essential part of any home, offering natural light, ventilation, and a sense of connection to the outdoors. Over time, however, windows can wear out, become inefficient, or lose their functionality. If you live in Rockford, where the weather can fluctuate from freezing cold winters to hot, humid summers, it's especially important to maintain windows that contribute to your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and security. If you're unsure whether your windows need to be replaced, there are several key signs to look out for. In this article, we'll explore the top indicators that it's time to replace your windows in Rockford, and why upgrading them can improve your home's overall performance and curb appeal. Drafts and temperature inconsistencies. One of the most common signs that your windows need to be replaced is the presence of drafts or noticeable temperature fluctuations inside your home. If you feel cold air seeping through your windows during the winter or warm air entering during the summer, it's likely that your windows are no longer providing the necessary insulation. This is especially true for older, single-pane windows or windows that lack proper seals. Energy-efficient windows are designed to keep your home comfortable year-round by preventing air from leaking in or out. If your windows are allowing drafts, you're likely spending more on heating and cooling than necessary. Replacing your old windows with double-pane or triple-pane windows can significantly improve your home's insulation, reduce your energy bills, and enhance your comfort. Condensation between the glass pane is another clear sign that your windows need to be replaced, as the appearance of condensation between the glass panes. This typically occurs in double-pane or triple-pane windows when the seal between the layers of glass fails. When the seal breaks, moisture can get trapped between the panes, leading to foggy, cloudy glass that obstructs your view and lowers the aesthetic appeal of your home. Condensation between the panes is also an indication that your window's insulation has been compromised, which can result in heat loss and an increase in your energy costs. If you notice this problem, it's time to consider window replacement to restore clarity, improve insulation, and avoid further damage. Difficulty opening or closing the windows. If you find it difficult to open, close, or lock your windows, it's a sign that the window hardware or frame may be damaged. Windows that are hard to operate are not only inconvenient but also pose a safety risk. A window that won't close properly can compromise your home's security, allowing potential intruders to enter. Old, wooden windows can warp and swell over time due to moisture exposure, while vinyl or aluminum windows may experience problems with the frame or locking mechanism. If your windows are becoming increasingly difficult to use or don't seal tightly, it's a good idea to have them inspected and consider replacing them to improve both functionality and security. Visible damage or wear. Take a close look at your windows for any visible signs of damage. Cracked, chipped, or broken glass is an obvious indication that your windows need to be replaced. Even small cracks can compromise the security of your home and allow air and moisture to enter, leading to further damage and increased energy costs. Additionally, the window frames should be inspected. Wooden frames can rot or warp due to exposure to moisture, while vinyl frames can fade, crack, or become brittle over time. If the frames are damaged, the window itself may become less secure and harder to open or close. Replacing windows with durable materials like fiberglass or composite frames can prevent these issues and improve the long-term performance of your home's windows. Increased energy bills. If you've noticed that your energy bills have been creeping up despite maintaining your heating and cooling system, your windows may be to blame. Old, inefficient windows can allow heat to escape during the winter and let hot air in during the summer, causing your HVAC system to work overtime. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows can significantly reduce your energy consumption. Modern windows come with features like low-E coatings, insulated frames, and argon gas between the panes to help keep your home at a comfortable temperature year-round. Replacing your old windows with energy-efficient options can lower your heating and cooling costs and make your home more energy efficient. Outside noise is disturbing your peace. If you live near a busy street or a noisy neighborhood, you may have noticed that outside noise can easily enter through your windows. Old or poorly insulated windows often lack the ability to block out sound, making your home less peaceful and relaxing. Replacing your windows with soundproofing windows or windows with double or triple pane glass can significantly reduce noise infiltration. The additional layers of glass and insulation help to absorb and block external sounds, providing a quieter and more comfortable living environment. Your windows are outdated or don't match your home's aesthetic. Over time, windows can become outdated, affecting both the functionality and appearance of your home. If your windows are old and no longer complement your home's exterior design, it may be time for a change. Upgrading to more modern, stylish windows can improve your home's curb appeal and increase its overall value. New windows come in a variety of styles, colors, and materials that can complement any home design, whether traditional or contemporary. Replacing old, worn-out windows with newer, more stylish options can significantly enhance the look of your home. Conclusion: it's time to replace your windows in Rockford. Your windows play an essential role in the comfort, security, and energy efficiency of your home. If you've noticed any of the signs listed above, drafts, condensation, difficulty operating, or increased energy bills, it's a clear indication that your windows need to be replaced. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows will improve the insulation, security, and aesthetic appeal of your Rockford home, while also reducing your energy costs in the long run. Replacing old windows is an investment that enhances your home's overall performance and comfort. Don't wait for further damage or higher utility bills. Contact a professional window replacement company today to improve your home's efficiency, value, and security.